Okay, this is called Rua de Barca right there, and it's going to be following the park. Kind of has some cool artwork as well. So we're gonna there's that cool artwork. So we're gonna be walk down straight that way towards this park. Okay, stay tuned. Go check out the road. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. Okay, so there's Rua de Barca, and let me just give you a little context. We got Cafe Eskimo right there in the corner. We got just your kind of blocky buildings and the go-see area of Macau, and we're just gonna walk down the street, kind of see what we can see. There's a nice little park here, bathroom right here as well. That's our main street right there. And then we kind of have this little park in here as well. Just gonna take a look at everything. I don't know the name of this park, but they play mahjong and different games all the way down. So it looks kind of cool already. That's kind of a nice little spot right there, because they can also play in those ones as well. So I think this is called Rua de Barca, so we're gonna keep on going down. This is our little park right there. It's kind of small. Actually, might just go around it real quick. So just kind of, so you got all these little tables like that. You got a table like that as well. Looks like they're playing mahjong right now. Then we got all the way down. And then we're gonna kind of fade out. You got some Portuguese tile stuff right there. More Macau references. So we just kind of went in a little circle around that park, and now we're gonna I didn't even see that the first time. You got some card players in there. It's kind of cool. There's the artist right there. Cool. Okay, so we're gonna just go on down. Got a nice market right there. I think what we're gonna do is go in, kind of follow it down. Kind of want to check out that market, Soulbrigada Vista. So we got fruits and vegetables here. It's kind of nice. Wow, look at this car. This one says Portugal right there. So it looks kind of cool, right? Big vehicle says Portugal. Okay, so we're gonna keep on going down Rua de Barca. See what we can all see around here. It's like a little CD shop, wines. More fruits, boutique shop, fruits, vegetables. So you got some fruits and vegetables. It looks like this is going to be a different name, so that's Estrada de Adolfo Loureiro, and then I guess Rua de Barca, that's Estrada. It's Estrada, so I guess that little street right here is Rua de Barca, and it ends right here. So we're going to end the video right here as well. And that's our little park that we're just in on Rua de Barca. Chiquinha, chiquinha, toma cuidado da bovidinha.